Hey guys, what's going on? So I wanted to show you my hillbilly irrigation system. Did a lot of, if you've been watching the videos, Rob and I kind of redid my backyard, re-landscaped it, and spent a lot of money doing that. Didn't have the budget this year to toss in an in-ground irrigation system. Wanted to keep everything watered while we were out here creating videos and working hard all day. Didn't have time to keep watering lawn. So this is what I did. I bought a bunch of these Orbit timers, and I have 4 different zones going. This one's a dual orbit timer, and this one right here is going to something else, and this one's going to something else, and I'll show you how it all fires off. It's all timed differently. So zone 1 over here goes out to a piece of land on the side of my temporary garage where I used to have a bunch of pine trees. So that zone waters the lawn on the side of my garage behind me, and it does quite a bit. I have a wand going, one of those wands. I tried a couple of sprinkler heads in here, but there's a big area to cover and this wand worked better. So when zone 1 finishes, you can hear zone 2 fire off. And I have this wand watering the rest of my backyard. It's a pretty good size area, and right where that fence is where the other wand was. And that does the whole backyard. The thing really waters good. And I'll show you the other 2 zones. All right, so this is what I call zone number 3. And I'll fire this one off. I can manually set it if I want to. And what I did is I put a sprinkler head here, an Orbit one, and it hits this nook right here that the wand doesn't get. And when that fires off, it gets this whole area in here. That's worked out well. Kind of in a, not a drought, but there hasn't been a whole lot of rain. So, you know, the lawn looked a little bit better a few weeks ago than it does right now. I've got to mow it again, but it hits that area right there. So here is zone number 4. So you guys are going to kind of like this. It actually worked out pretty slick. I went to Florida on vacation, and didn't really have somebody to water a bunch of flowers that I haven't planted yet. They were starting to kind of dry out. I was concerned about them, so I put them on a timer as well. And I'll show you what I did. So what I have going on is this fires off twice a day, morning and at night. And I'll go show you this setup. This is pretty cool. So before I left, I put all my flowers and some trees that I'm going to plant on this trailer so that they don't kill my lawn. And I have a little sprinkler head right here that I bought from Lowe's. And that goes off twice a day, and it waters all my plants, so I didn't have to rely on somebody. The plant right there with the pink flowers on it had no buds on it when I left, and it took 6 days for it to go from nothing to a budded plant. When I came back from vacation, I was like amazed at how much this stuff had bloomed and came back to life, and I'm getting ready to plant all this stuff pretty soon. So that's my redneck irrigation system in a nutshell. Hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Like the video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.